Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. The sons were able to kick Mshengu out of his own business. We can know and understand with how devastated this would make him feel. Ngithi-ke uFakazile went and gloated. Ayohleka uMshengu. Amtshela nje the way uMshengu was like, are you really rejoicing over my pain? And uFakazile reminded uMshengu of all the things that he has ever done to her, and Ati, you deserve all that is happening to you right now. Umshengu wabiza ilawyer ke ayibuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ilawyer ithi yabambi amtshela ukuthi no, I can see that you're conspiring with these people in a qoshi lawyer vele. Qeda lapho abize uSibusiso. Biziyani uSibusiso? Why did he call uSibusiso? He called uSibusiso so that yena noSibusiso can sit down and he can give all his shares to uSibusiso. Now uSibusiso alone is a major shareholder. So in an event where one of them is out and Sibusiso buys those shares, Sibusiso will be the one who has the ruling and deciding power. And also, if there's a decision that they need to make and they're not in agreement, Sibusiso looks like he's got more shares, he can overrule them because he's got about 30 something. Right? So I don't know how this is going to land to Sibusiso's dad, because we all know ukuthi uDonga akafuni ukuthi uSibusiso amdlule when it comes to his status or opportunity. I don't think that this will sit well with uDonga. uThoba then went to make peace no Sibusiso. Sibusiso rejected the peace. I said, I'm not ready, I don't want it. The reason he's not ready and doesn't want it, he feels because uThoba is the one that pushed uDidi to take him to court. But uThoba reminded him of something very important. Ati Mamela, I was with uDidi first, but you went and made a child with uDidi after you knew how I felt about her, but you still went on and did this to me. And Mina, I forgave and we continued. But uSibusiso is selfish vele akakhona ukuqola. It's everything around him, about him, because uMshengu has groomed him to be like that. So I think ukuthi he will definitely be a replica yakamshengu. It's too bad we won't see, because the season is ending. Then uThoba had to break up his relationship with uDidi because the family was not in support. He tried everything that he could to say it's her or nothing. But at the cost of him losing his family, and considering that he grew up without a father, he longs for the presence of Kababake and that approval. So it means it is the end of uThoba, no Didi.